YouTube, Sokyo here, and is the entire universe a hologram? This idea may sound ludicrous at first, but there is actually some evidence to support it, and it has to go back to entropy. You may have heard of entropy. It can almost be described as the disorder of a system, a grouping of materials. Like, the entropy of a system will be higher if, say, it's a liquid form than a solid form, because you can more easily predict the future location of particles in a solid, because since they're in a solid, they're less likely to move around because they're more held together relative to one another. While in a liquid, or especially a gas, they're more likely to move around, so it's harder to predict them. They're more disordered, they're more chaotic, and that's what entropy is. And scientists found out, including Stephen Hawking, that the entropy of a black hole, the disorder of it, is not actually, the equation for it is not linked to the volume inside of the black hole, but it's linked to its surface area, in fact. That tells you, which is rather confusing, and they didn't think that was the case at the time. But why does this matter? Well, black holes are thought to violate a key rule of the universe, which is information cannot be created or destroyed, a bit like how matter can't be created or destroyed. Matter can be created or destroyed, as I have often said, through antimatter and normal matter coming into contact, but information is believed can't be destroyed. Information is what makes things different. Different information in my body means my body is different to the white walls behind me. But black holes are believed to do the opposite. They're believed to make everything the same, and this violates this key law of the universe. That could be true, that they do just get rid of information, but it violates one of our laws of the universe, and physicists don't like that. So there's a theory that although you can't ever observe the inside of the event horizon of a black hole, because, well, not even light can escape from it, even traveling at c, the speed of light, the fastest possible speed in the universe, that doesn't mean the information is destroyed, it's just stored on the surface of a black hole. And of course a hologram is a way of storing a 3D image or 3D model on a 2D plane, and that is basically what these do. It's theorized that the black hole's event horizon surface could encode 3D objects like us as 2D objects on this plane, and there is some evidence to suggest this. It's not definitive, of course, but they looked at black holes, some galaxies, and the black holes at the center of them, and these researchers found that most galaxies orbit in a different direction to our Milky Way, and it seems not random but almost ordered. And there are many different proposed reasons for why this is the case, but one believed and theorized way is that they're all orbiting around a black hole and they're stored in its surface, and the black hole itself is manipulating them to rotate in a certain way, in a dipole fashion it's called. But the annoying thing for physicists is, if this is proved to be true, it's called the holographic principle, then everything we thought we knew about the universe was wrong.